Yeah, you're gonna be cold. We should still.
That's the bus. Quit flirting, Kyle.
Why are you filming that guy's bag?
He's got a nice bag.
Apparently.
See, it's a nice t-shirt. See?
Wow, we are terrible at single file.
Let's see. Look, we got Goofy. They're resetting the ride. I think the lights are all on now.
Attention race fans, all races have come to observers. Please remain seated and the race will resume momentarily. Once again, please remain seated and the race will resume momentarily. Thank you.
I guess good thing we got off when we did, right?
It's Mator!
I know. This will be a first. Wow. So we got food. Well, I got breakfast. Alexis got potatoes. Only $2 for that. Not too bad, actually.
Kevin's never had breakfast as a part of the entire time we've been here.
Nope. Except for beignets.
Yes.
Working!
Did it break? Come on, did it really just break?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. Know your name is written on everyone's mind. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! It's captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. But when you got
So we're going to Star Wars Land.
I will walk straight out of this park, I swear.
What? It's a little kid does that?
Yes.
Hey, Kyle.
Oh, I think it'd be pretty funny.
Hey, Kyle.
Hello.
Gotta get our reservation.
It's on the other end of the freaking park.
Yeah, well, we got 10 minutes.
When you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby. And now I get it, you got heads turning, and you don't even try. You're with your looking at the glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it, you got fire burning, right there in your eyes.
We got 2 of them up there.
Wait a minute. Oh, what terrible. Wait a minute. And Falcon, to your left.
That hour waiting online for
How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it, you got fire burning, right there in your
We're in a bit of a situation with the first order.
The first order, excellent.
We're not authorized to pick up the cargo.
Picking up the cargo, good.
If the accused doesn't steal it,
I see now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
don't you dare!
I don't. Oh, unfortunate technical difficulty. Welcome, my friends. Welcome. What a fine-looking group of flying professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, Asbury, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win.
Come on in, just wait right over here.
You guys are my pilots, right? We're gonna line up right behind you in just a moment, but we're kind of crowding everything. So, all right, there we go. So the pilots are going to be in the front, the gunners are going to be in the middle, the engineers are going to be in the back.
Welcome right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo.
Oh, this is so cool.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Do we
Hi,
sit
Miss
back
Crackers,
here?
my friends, please fasten your seatbelt.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Open fire! Hyperdrivers fail. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
How many kills did you get, Hal?
R5, damage report. Engine failure. Alright. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple. Whoa! Looks like we're ready to unload.
ride I've ever been on.
You can either do it manual or you can put it on like auto.
The big ship thing? There we go. We got milk. Us doesn't like it though.
I didn't say I didn't like it. I just said it's not worth $8.
Interesting.
I don't know what that. I don't know what that is.
I don't know either. So, it's so cool looking.
Here, babe, let's get a picture. Just you.
Oh man.
So cold.
I don't know, man. She's like storming off.
He's right there.
Thank you.
Wow.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Why does everyone just block entrances? I don't understand that. Let's just, stop right here and look around for 5 minutes.
It's so cold.
You can't see Alexis, but she's skipping. See her wide legs, though. Well, this is kind of looks a little bit better, but it still looks like garbage. You can't see anything.
The best of all.
The best of all time? Like, are you going to be the baddest of them all?
I'm the baddest. 1, 2, 3. That's mine. 4.
And partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Whoa. Hello.
Hi.
Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. We're going to Indiana Jones.
Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders of nature. If you avoid the eyes of our